Page 19, Bravery at C. Top of the page, they talk a little bit about form in music. Yes, music has forms. There's different kinds of music and different forms and so forth. I prefer to talk about it as we actually get into the music and cover the forms. There's a lot of different forms. Forms become important if you want to really understand the construction of the music and get into interpreting the music. It's a more advanced type thing. Otherwise, don't worry about the form, just play the notes. Well, they talk a little bit about some of the lines are the same or similar and other lines are different. We'll get into that a little later. Right now, let's cover this piece. 4/4 time. We're still in the key of F major. You got treble and bass clef. We got all that covered. We're in F position. There's no repeat sign or nothing. We got quarter notes and half notes, and we can handle that. You got accompaniment going on for the most part in the left hand. Now, okay. But let's make it sure we got the notes in the rhythm. So right hand first. At the beginning, you're here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And I assume you know the names of all these notes in the music and the names of the keys on the piano. It's really important you do that. So do the right hand, and then the left hand, we just got these chords here. 2, 3, 4. That's a whole note. We had whole notes before. It's just a circle. It's the same as 4 quarter notes. So, in 4/4 time, it gets 4 counts. 2, 3, 4. 2, don't forget the B flat, and those chords at the end of the first line, those 2 measures, those are all tied. You're going to hold that chord down for 8 counts. Well, the right hand will keep you entertained, so it's all right. You're just going to do that. So for the most part, that's the left hand. Put the hands together. Let's see. 3, 4, 3, 4. 3, 4. See? Go down to the third line. You're here. 2, 3. Now that's different. Here. B flat G. That's the same. That's different. Go on. And that's different. C and an A, and then B flats, and then A and a C. Wasn't that fun? And then the last line's similar to what you had before. So once you can get the hands together, then go out, get rid of the hesitations. The beat has to be a steady beat at whatever speed you choose. It's got to be a steady beat. Then we can add the articulation. Well, in this case, it's the phrasing and the slurs. Lift up. Now that's not phrases. You don't go. In our host is not a musical sentence. It's not a phrase. It's a slur. So you can lift up. Here. Lift up. Lift up. In the left hand, you connect them as best you can. Just here. So put in the slurs. Lift up between them. Before and after the slur. Right now, we're doing that. You don't always do that in music. Right now, we're going to lift up before and after the slur, and you connect the notes in the slur. Now, the last 2 measures of the first line, that can actually be a phrase. You see, a slur and a phrase are very close together. But a phrase is a musical sentence, if I could talk, and a slur, you just connect the notes. It may or may not be a sentence. There's more to it than that, but just get that right now. That's what it is. That's what we need to know. Then add the dynamics. Soft, that's the melody. Whatever you think soft is, you keep the left hand very soft. Then when you get down to the third line, now it's loud. You have an F for forte. That's the melody, the right hand. The left hand has to be softer than that. Last line, you're soft again. The left hand's very soft. So forth. And then the speed. Well, moderato's in the middle, not fast or slow. I think about as fast 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. Something about that, please don't copy me. You need to make it yours. Just do what the music is telling you to do and you make it yours. I'm just giving you an idea of what it might sound like. If I played this 10 times, I'd play it different every time. It wouldn't be much different. You got to do what the music tells you to do, but it would still be a little different. Now a little bit on counting, because we're not really presenting anything new here. When you count out the rhythm, like with 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, whatever, you're only counting at when you're first learning a piece of music to make sure you have the rhythm correct. Once you know you have the rhythm correct, you don't count it anymore. You feel it. Here. I would count it at first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, to make sure I had it. But once I had it, then I don't count it. I feel it. And I just kind of go with the music. I'm not thinking counting anymore. I'm just going with the music at that point. I'd like to play this with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms and that. I'm not going to do the dynamics. I'll give us 4 counts and let's go over it slowly together. 1, 2, ready, go. 4, 3, 4. 3, 4. 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. 3, 4. 3, 4. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest.